For this trick, we will need 3 cards. 2 of them are red and 1 is black. We'll put the black one on top of the red ones. And we're doing a double lift. Then we flip these 2 cards. But the audience thinks we were just turning over a black card. Then we take the top card. But we won't show it because it's red. We turn over these 2 cards as soon as we take the red one, so that the audience does not see. Then we will put the red card between these 2 cards. But in fact, we will put it down these 2 cards, and we will hold it with 1 finger. Then we take all the cards from the middle, and we make such a movement with 1 finger. While driving, you need to do it quickly, so that the audience does not see. This is where the focus ends.